Ashley.
I'm Betty.
My name is Maritza.
And we are at Keiser in Lakeland.
Dietetics and Nutrition Program.
And today we're going to be making pumpkin oat cookies. So first we're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and then we're going to add our rolled oats, our pumpkin, our chocolate chips, our pumpkin spice, and our agave sweetener.
So after you have it all mixed up together nice and good, then you can take and either by hand grab some and form them together, or if you have a scoop, you can put in the scoop, press it down, and put it on your cookie tray. This makes it easier using the scoop. That way they're all universal size, they're all the same size, and that they will all bake at the same time, same temperature, and be done instead of having uneven baking. So after you get them out on your cookie tray, just take your palm of your hand and smash them down. You can smash them down as flat as you want them, or leave them with like the little hump in the middle. But again, they're all the same size, so just try to get them all the same thickness, and that way they will all take and cook and brown up the same. They will not spread. As you see, I have them a little bit close together. So you can put them close together, and if you have any more left over, you can stick them in the different little spots. So now we'll put them in our oven that was preheated to 350 degrees for up to 10 minutes.
Have a safe Halloween!
We hope you enjoy making these treats with your family.
See you next time.